Can you solve this equation? We have -4 plus x equals -2. This means there is a certain value that, when added to -4, results in -2. Let's find out what that value is. To solve for x, we need to isolate it on one side of the equation. This involves eliminating -4. The opposite of subtracting 4 is adding 4, so we add 4 to both sides of the equation. On the left side, -4 plus 4 cancels out, leaving just x. On the right side, -2 plus 4 equals +2. So the solution is x equals to 2. That's our final answer. Now let's verify it by substituting x equals 2 back into the original equation. Wherever we see x, we replace it with 2 and check if both sides remain equal. On the left-hand side, -4 plus 2 equals -2. On the right-hand side, we already have -2. Since both sides are equal, our solution is correct.